A year ago, I thought scaling meant hiring more people, more help, more payroll, more stress. But today, my entire system runs with AI, and I don't have a team anymore. Let me show you exactly how I built a $5,000 per month system using AI tools, step by step, and how you can do the same, even if you're starting from zero. First, you need to understand this. AI didn't just make work faster, it replaced entire job roles. What used to take a content writer, video editor, researcher, and virtual assistant, I now do with 3 AI tools. Step 1 is idea generation and research. I use AI to scan trending topics, search intent, and viral patterns. Instead of guessing what people want, I let AI tell me exactly what's already working. Once I have an idea, I move into scripting. AI writes long-form YouTube scripts, short-form hooks, and even calls to action, all in minutes. What used to take hours now takes less than 10 minutes. Step 2 is production. I don't record myself. I don't hire editors. I use AI voice tools for narration and AI video builders to create full videos automatically. Subtitles, visuals, pacing, all done for me. The key here is alignment. When your script, visuals, and voice match perfectly, the content feels human, even though it's automated. Step 3 is distribution. AI helps rewrite titles, descriptions, and tags for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. One piece of content turns into 10 assets across platforms without extra effort. Now here's where the money comes in. I don't rely on ads alone. I use digital products and affiliate links, simple guides, templates, and tools that solve specific problems. AI helps me build the product, write the sales page, and even create follow-up emails. This system doesn't scale by working harder. It scales by publishing consistently. And because AI handles the workload, consistency becomes easy. If you're stuck thinking you need a big team, expensive software, or years of experience, you don't. You need systems. And AI is the fastest way to build them. If you want to see exactly which tools I use and how I set everything up, check the link below. This is how modern businesses are being built: lean, automated, and scalable. And the best part, you can start today.